Police are trying to unravel the circumstances behind the fatal stabbing of a taxi driver in St. Andrew North Police Division on Sunday. The deceased, 67-year-old Derek Burke, otherwise called Bird, who is from Jacksontown on Malines Road, Kingston 19, died while being treated at hospital. Observer Online understands that around 11:10 a.m., residents called police emergency and reported that Burke was stabbed. He reportedly then went into his black Nissan La Festa motorcar and drove off. Burke, police said, crashed into a concrete wall at 111 Reddy's Road. From there, a motorist assisted the now deceased to the hospital, where he died while undergoing treatment. Police said they have since been trying to decipher what led to Burke's demise. Police investigators in St. Anne are probing the shooting death of a 26-year-old man in Prairie in the parish on Sunday night. A vehicle which later crashed was seized by police, and it is being theorized that it had earlier been used by the gunmen to carry out the crime. The deceased has been identified as Donovan Wilson alias Adine of New Banks in Prairie. Reports are that about 9 p.m. residents heard loud explosions coming from this section of the community and summoned the police. On their arrival, the police found Wilson lying in bushes along the roadway with gunshot wounds. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A Toyota Axio motor car, which is suspected to have been used by Wilson's attacker as their getaway vehicle, ended up crashing into a perimeter wall on the Artsland Main Road in the parish. The police found the vehicle abandoned and seized it as part of their ongoing investigation into the gun attack. A vendor became the second casualty from Sunday afternoon's motor vehicle accident on the Braco Main Road in Trelawney. Dead is 53-year-old Sharon Hackett, otherwise called Moffett. Her death followed that of 39-year-old nurse Ava Dawn Allen of Steertown, St. Anne. Hackett, who was of a Linstead St. Catherine address, died in the Falmouth Public General Hospital while undergoing treatment. Reports from the police are that about 4:30 p.m., Allen was driving a Toyota Altis motor car towards Falmouth when she lost control of the vehicle. The Altis reportedly veered into the path of a Mitsubishi Canter motor truck in which Hackett was a passenger. The truck was traveling in the opposite direction. Allen, Hackett, and the driver of the truck received injuries and were taken to Falmouth Hospital, where Allen was pronounced dead. The vendor succumbed to her injuries about 7:50 p.m. while undergoing treatment.